If you're trying to decide between SmartDraw and Microsoft Visio, first let us show you how vastly different one is from the other. SmartDraw can do everything that Visio can, but quicker and easier, and with much better results. First off, notice the Smart panel here in SmartDraw. The Smart panel provides customized tools and symbols specific to the kind of diagram you're building, which makes your job so much easier. Visio has tried for something similar, but it falls far short. The tools aren't nearly as automatic as SmartDraw's tools. SmartDraw is intuitive. It's so easy, you can figure it out on first use. In Visio, you can use these arrows, which give you a few shape options, or drag a shape and it will auto-connect if you place it just right, which isn't as easy as it should be. SmartDraw inserts formatted shapes and connecting lines automatically with a simple click or keyboard shortcut. And adjusting your diagram is far easier with SmartDraw. If you try to move shapes around with Visio, lines get jumbled up and things get messy very quickly. With SmartDraw, everything neatly realigns and stays orderly. When you delete a shape in Visio, the line between shapes stays the same size, which is messy. SmartDraw diagrams heal themselves. When you remove or add shapes, your diagram automatically reformats. In Visio's text entry is inconsistent. Take this decision diamond shape. After some typing, the text just spills out. With SmartDraw, your shapes always resize to accommodate your text. As you run through other visuals, the trend continues. Visio is unwieldy, confusing, and hard to use, while SmartDraw is automatic, neat, and logical. And there is a stark difference in the finished results. SmartDraw's built-in themes and styles result in great-looking, professional visuals every time. Visio's diagrams are primitive and inelegant in comparison. But say you have some Visio files from a previous project that you'd like to update, or work with Visio users who haven't yet made the switch to SmartDraw. Well, SmartDraw has you covered. SmartDraw's Visio import and export features are so powerful that you can open any Visio document, no matter how detailed, make edits and cosmetic enhancements in SmartDraw, and export it back to Visio. SmartDraw even imports Visio stencils. It's an extremely powerful tool that means you never have to bother using Visio again. SmartDraw does everything that Visio can, but much more efficiently and resulting in better looking completed visuals. Save yourself time and a few headaches and choose SmartDraw. You'll never look back.